Welcome back to the channel Binpipe School, and I am Bijayalakshmi with you. Today I am going to begin a new topic, that is components of food. And in this topic I am going to discuss about nutrients and its classification. Now all of us have read in the previous lesson about food sources. Even we discussed about the different functions of food. Even if you remember, I told about nutrients. Now these nutrients are chemical components, or you can say chemical substances, which are in the food that helps us in doing different functions in the body. Now these chemical components provide energy, they provide growth, or they help in growth and repair of the body, they give us immunity and lots more. Now these nutrients can be classified as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Picture that you see of rice, corn, wheat, sugar have one thing in common. Can you tell? Yes, they have carbohydrates in it. Carbohydrates are those nutrients that provide energy. These carbohydrates break down and releases energy. Now, sugar and starch fall under this category. In fact, sugar releases more energy faster than starch. And that's why sugar and starch are called as energy-giving food. Now when we consume lots of carbohydrates, they cannot be broken down into energy very quickly, and they gradually are stored in the form of fats. The next nutrient in our topic to discuss is fat. Fats are energy providers. In fact, they provide more energy than the carbohydrates. And that's why fats are great sources of energy. Now we get fats from animal sources as well as plant sources. Dairy products such as milk, cheese, butter are great sources of fats. Even the oils derived from different plant seeds such as coconut, groundnut, then mustards and lots more, they provide fats. Now, apart from giving us energy, fats also keep our body warm. That's why animals in the hilly areas have extra layers of fat in order to keep their body warm. Now we get fat in the outer lining of our heart, the stomach, then under the skin layers and intestine walls and so on. The thousands of cells in our body are made up of proteins. Yes, proteins are the building blocks. They help in making new cells as well as repairing the worn out cells. And you know that protein are also energy providers. But the main function of protein is helping in building out new structures. We get proteins from animal sources as well as plant sources. Meat, fish, egg, milk are main sources of protein that we get from animals. From plants, we get proteins from legumes, or you can say the pulses, and soya bean is the rich source of protein. Now before I wind up, I have a question for you. You have to tell who requires more protein, a 10-year young boy or a 24 years old young adult. Write your answer in the comment section and let me know how it was learning from this video. Till then, keep studying.